Hello students, greetings. I trust you are all doing great. So this is to notify us that we have published the coursework for week 1. Those of us that submitted their coursework, you can now log into the platform to access your results. And also we should remember that week 2 is ongoing, and by the end of the week, the coursework will be open for submission. So I believe that we are all working towards that. And if you have any challenge or difficulties at the course of your learning, do reach out to any of our admin to assist you. And that is much more reason why we are there, because we want to make sure that your learning journey is at ease. Also, we should endeavor to make sure that we partake more in this second week. So we are hoping to get your submission, and we're hopefully hoping to get your feedback and to help you solve your problems as well. I wish you all the best, and for those, the best 3, we'll publish the names of the best 3 in the HTML CSS group, and the program coordinator the course coordinator will reward you guys with the gift that was meant for you. So we are hoping for week 2. We are hoping to probably get the best 3 for week 2, and we are hoping to make sure that another set of people are the best for week 2, so that it will be like a challenge for all the students. So as you progress your learning, I do wish you all the best. Always take good care. Bye bye.